Robots might have been a subject of experiment yesterday, but today they are an integral part of our lives. These intelligent machines have changed the whole approach to industrial automation across the world. Also, the application of robots is now expanding to major fields like education and training, scientific research, defense, domestic, rescue operations, healthcare, and hospitality. Looking at the global demand, C.V. Raman College of Engineering, Bhubaneswar has developed a unique center of excellence on robotics in the year 2013 in association with ED Corporation of South Korea and E-Yantra Laboratory of IIT Mumbai.
Robotics Center of Excellence is established in collaboration with ED Corporation, South Korea, and all these equipments are required from the fundamental of robotics to manufacture a robot and to operate a robot is available in this Center of Excellence. And all our staffs, those who are offering training in this center, were trained in South Korea.
C.V. Raman Robotics Center of Excellence trains the future technocrats from the mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, information technology and computer science engineering streams in the field of robotics.
We have a very good core team. The faculties are trained in the ED Corporation in Korea, as well as also they are trained by the IIT Mumbai E-Yantra. And many faculties are if you look at PhD holders, they are doing research on robotics also. And we are here basically to impart the knowledge of robotics to the undergraduate student, and also the students will learn the PLC, automation process, embedded system, microcontroller, microprocessor and microcontroller.
This program imparts practical knowledge to the students on the effective combination of hardware and software to make a machine work more intelligently. In the fully equipped robotics lab at C.V. Raman, students prepare various parts of the robots and assemble them. In the process, students at C.V. Raman Robotics Center of Excellence learn about the following robots: Firebird V robot, a basic robotics platform, 5-axis arm robot, intelligent robot, and omnidirectional robot.
I have gained a lot of experience in making two types of robots. One is automated robots and another is manual robots. In automated robots, I have learned two different types of robots. One is obstruct avoider robot and another one is path follower robot.
This Robotics Center of Excellence will help the students in industry, because nowadays if you look at the buzzword is the smart city, smart world, and if you look at in home also, all the home appliances are smart. So smart means actually automation, and that is controlled by a microcontroller. So today if you look at robot is a part of our life, so every day we are dealing with a robot. So for that we should aware about the automation process to deal with all these kind of intelligent machines.
They also take part in different robotics competitions to demonstrate their excellence in the field. C.V. Raman Robotics Center of Excellence enhances the skills and employability of the students. With the knowledge and experience of using latest technology, the pass-outs of the institution get an edge over their peers in the industry and research and development sector.
This Center of Excellence are helping to increase the skill of my students to a next level, and that's why the placement scenario is wonderful in our campus. And whenever they go to the industry, they get job, they are widely appreciated because of that skill level. So I feel it is standing out from the other institutions.